Here's the beacon. This is the most important thing I wanted. Enough to have this beacon here for the follow me function. So that's great. Spare battery. We've got all our cables, spare propellers, the unit itself, charger, the drone itself with 6 cameras on board, 3 at the front, 3 at the back. And we get onto the controller. Not fussy about the controller, but I just thought I'd buy it anyway. Just in case I want to do any flying out that way. Can't wait to get out there, do some tracking and put some good stuff together. See how she performs. Anyway, thanks for having a look. We'll see how it goes.